Good morning, students. Today, for IPE point of view, board exams, problems part 2. Already in our previous video, we discussed up to 32 problems. Today, from 33 to 50 problems. Total will be 50 problems. Very important problems for the board point of view for class 11. That may be the IPE board, that is a state board, like Andhra Pradesh Board of Intermediate or Telangana Board of Intermediate. Very important problems, only problems. So first 33 problem will be like this. What would be the change in acceleration due to gravity, small g, at the surface if the radius of earth decreases by 2%, keeping mass of the earth is constant? That means we have to know the relation between small g and radius of the earth r. Okay. Now what is the relation between them? You know that small g is equal to gm by r square. That means g and r square are inversely proportional to each other. So g is inversely proportional to r square. So we need in terms of percentages. That's why we can write what is the have to ask the radius decreased by 2% given acceleration due to gravity. That means change in acceleration due to gravity of the surface will be, the formula for this will be, this is delta g by g into 100 is equal to inversely proportional. That is whatever it may be, in case of percentage it will comes front. That means 2 into delta r by r into 100. This is the formula. Here the question given here, from the question, the radius of earth decreases by 2%. That means it will be negative symbol, decreasing means. So we can write this delta r by r into 100 is given as 2. That means minus 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 indicates r will be decreases by 2%. So g will be increased by 4%. Why? Because inversely proportional to each other. That means we can write here g increases by 4%. Okay, that is answer. Next, question number 34. Two spherical balls, each of mass 1 kg, are placed 1 centimeter apart. These are the two spherical balls, separated by 1 centimeter apart. Gravitational force between them, that is according to Newton's law of gravitation, we know that force is equal to gmm by r square. This is the formula. So as we know that spherical balls of each mass 1 kg. So g value also given here is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter cube per kg square. So 1 centimeter is the distance, r is given. So you can write r is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter, because centimeter can be converted into meters. So substituting the values, 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into 1 kg by r square, that is 10 power minus 2 whole square, that is minus 4. So finally you will get 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 minus 4. So remove this minus 11 plus 4 means how much it will be? That is approximately 3 minus 7. Yeah, newtons. This is the answer. Next question 35. At a certain height above the surface of the earth. So this is the earth of radius r. At a certain height above the surface of the earth, acceleration due to gravity gh is equal to 4% of its value on the surface of the earth. Determine the height. So from this, the question given here is gh is equal to 4% of the value of the h. Now from the data, gh will be 4%. 4% means 4 by 100 of g. This is the formula. That is 4 1 ja 425. That means gh is equal to g by 25. This is the given condition. As we know that by increasing the height, gh is equal to, the formula will be g by 1 plus h by r whole power minus 2. This is the formula. Now substituting here, what you will get? You can get the relation between h and r. So gh is equal to G by 25 is equal to G by 1 plus H by R whole power minus 2. G cancel. This is 25 means 5 square. You can write this 5 square. So what you will get? So going to top, what you will get? 5 square is equal to 1 plus H by R. 1 plus H by R. This one. So squares remove. What you will get? 5 is equal to 1 plus H by R. Take out that side. 4 is equal to H by R, or simply H is equal to 4R. So determine we have to height. So R, you know that radius of Earth is equal to 6,400 kilometers. That is 4 into 6,400 kilometers. What you will get? H is equal to, finally you will get 25,600 kilometers is the answer. That's all. Next, question number 36. A copper wire of 1 mm diameter is stretched by applying the force 10 newtons. Find the stress in the wire. These are the simple problems. First, we have to know the formula for the stress. This is in the topic of mechanical properties of solids. So, as we know, the formula for the stress is equal to force by area. So, force 10 newtons is given. What are the given values? F is equal to 10 newtons. Area is equal to, wire means pi r square. So the wire diameter is given. That means radius is equal to, what you will get? Diameter by 2. That means 1 by 2 mm. So pi into 1 by 2 mm. That is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. This is the area. Now substituting, what you will get? Stress is equal to 10 by 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is going to top. 2 into 2, pi is 3.14 into 10 power minus 6. ऊपर गया 6 हो गया. So finally you will get 40 by 3.14 into 10 power 6, which is equal to, it is around, if you cancel this, you will get 12.73 into 10 power 6 Newton per meter square. That is the answer. Next question will be, a tungsten wire of length 20 centimeter is stretched by 0.2 centimeter. Find the strain in the wire. So same thing here. Here we have to find the strain. So first of all, you have to know the formula for the strain. Strain is equal to, what is the formula? Change in length by original length, or you can say elongation by length. So what are the values given? All are centimeters. That means no need to change. Elongation is 0.2. Length is 20. So what you will get? Strain is equal to 0.110. That is 0.01. This is the answer for the strain. That is 0.01. No units for this. Now from this, the question, another question will be asked. Using this 36, 37, find the Young's modulus. So as you know, the formula for the Young's modulus is equal to, y is equal to longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain. Okay. So stress means 12.73 into 10 power 6 by strain means 10 power minus 2. So go to this, y is equal to, you will get 12.73 into 10 power 8 Newton per meter square. This is the formula for the Young's modulus. So if the two wires have same material, if they given. Next question will be 38. Now the question is, find the pressure required to reduce the given volume of water by 2%. Bulk modulus of water is given. So you have to find the pressure. The final big physical quantity is bulk modulus. As you know, the formula for the bulk modulus. So bulk modulus. So it will be represented by B, let us say. Bulk modulus is equal to, the formula is change in volume stress by volume strain. That is simply, you can say that volume stress is nothing but pressure by change in volume is delta V by V. This is the formula. You can put minus. Why? Because volume will be decreasing. So from this you will get the final formula, pressure P is equal to P into delta V by V. Here you have to find the volume reduced by 2%. That means from this given, delta V by V into 100 is equal to 2. That means delta V by V is equal to 2 by 100. This is the given value. Bulk modulus is given. This one is the bulk modulus. Now substituting, what you will get? Pressure P is equal to 2.2 into 10 power 9 into 2 by 100. That is 4.4 into 10 power 100 means 7 Newton per meter square or Pascal. That is answer. Next question will be 39. Calculate the work done in blowing a soap bubble of radius 0.3 centimeters against the surface tension force T is equal to given. So you have to find soap bubble. Here the important point is soap bubble, which will having the two layers. That's why two tensions. You have to find the work done. So here the formula for the work done, W is equal to surface area into surface tension. So surface area for the soap bubble, which is in the spherical nature, that is 8 pi r square into surface tension is T. Now substituting the values, you will get 8 into 3.14 into radius is given. This is 0.3 centimeters given. If you convert this, 3 into 10 power minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 meters. That is 3 into 10 power minus 3 into 3 into 10 power minus 3 into surface tension is 2.5 into 10 power minus 2. All multiplication, you will get the answer. That is joules. Okay, do it as homework. Just simply multiplication only. Next, question number 40. What should be the radius of the capillary tube if the water has the rise to a height of 6 cm in it? So in this question, capillary raise method, according to this you have to know the formula. The given values are water is given. So what is the surface tension of the capillary by using the capillary raise method? T is equal to, the formula is HRdG by 2 cos theta. Simply 2 theta is 0, let us say. Now what are the values given? First to check the values. You have to find the radius. R is equal to question mark. Water is given. You know the water density is equal to 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. Height is given. H is equal to 6 centimeter. Convert it into meters. 6 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Surface tension is given. G value, as you know, 9.8 or 10 meter per second square. Theta value, you know, 0. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So all knowing value substituting here. From this you will get the R value. R is equal to 2T by HdG. Substituting it, 2 into tension is 7.2 into 10 power minus 2 by H 6 centimeter into meter, density 10 power 3, G value 10. So I can do the calculations. 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 3 4 ja 2.4, which is equal to 2.4 into 10 power minus 2 cancel. If you go to top, then becomes 10 power minus 4. It is 0.24 mm. So radius of the capillary tube is 0.24 mm is the answer. That's all. Next, question number 41. All are important questions. If the diameter of the soap bubble, again soap bubble is given 10 mm and its surface tension is 0.01 Newton per meter, find the excess pressure inside the bubble. So for this you have to remember the formula. Excess pressure in case of the soap bubble. In soap bubble. So the formula is P is equal to 4T by R. This formula if you have to remember. So values given. Surface tension T is equal to 0.04, that is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 2 Newton per meter. And diameter, that is you have to find the radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2, 10 by 2 mm, that is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 3 meters. These are the values. Substituting, what you will get? Pressure P is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 2 by 5 into 10 power minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1. 4 4 is 16, 160 by 5. That is equal to 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10. That is 32 Pascal. The answer is 32 Pascal or Newton per meter square. Next question will be 40. Now the question number 42 is, the cylindrical tube of a spray pump has a cross section of 8 cm square, one end of which has 40 fine holes, each of diameter 1 mm. If liquid flows inside the tube is 1.5 meters per minute, what is the speed of ejection of the liquid through the holes? Let us say this is a pipe. This is other end of the pipe. This other end of the pipe consisting of so many holes. This, how many holes are there? 40 holes will be there. So what you have to find from these holes, what is the ejection of the liquid? Speed you have to find. So from this, what are the data given here is, first area of cross section of this one, A1, let us say. So A1 is equal to 8 centimeters square. That means you have to convert it into meters. That is 8 into 10 power minus 4 meters square. This one. Next, 40 holes. Here other end is having total area is say 8. Okay. So this each area 40 holes, each of diameter. So here small one having the diameter is 1 mm. That means radius is 1 by 2 mm. So 1 by 2 is 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meters. So if the liquid flow inside the tube, here inside the tube is how much will be there? 1.5 meter per minute. So that's one. That means 1.5 meter per minute, you have to convert it into per second. That is 1.5 by 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That is equal to 15 by 60 and 1 by 40. 15 1 ja 0.1 4 ja. Yeah, that is 1 by 40 meter per second. Now this A2, what about the area A2? Other end, area A2 is equal to, how many holes are there? 40 holes are there. 40 into each whole area is pi r square. That is 3.14 into r square. R square means how much? So this having 1 millimeter. So this one having, each one having the whole of 1 mm. So that is 1 mm means 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. R square means 1 by 4. Yeah. That is 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 4. You have to find the V2. This is the question. From the question we will get this data. So according to the continuity equation, what you know? A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. From this you will get V2 is equal to A1 V1 by A2. Now all values you know, substitute it, what you will get? So A1 8 into 10 power minus 4 into V1 1 by 40 by A2, this one 40 into 3.14 into 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 4. So 4 tenths cancellation, minus 4 gone. What you will get? 8 5 ja, that is what you will get. Finally you will get 1 by 50 into 3.14, this one. So if you substitute this, you can get the answer. That is, finally by calculating this, you will get approximately 64 meter per second. So this is the answer for the 42. Next, 43. What is the temperature for which the readings on Kelvin and Fahrenheit scales are same? So Kelvin scale is equal to Fahrenheit scale. You have to find the temperature, equal temperature. So as we know the centigrade formula, C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. This formula we know, the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. But in place of Celsius, you can put in terms of Kelvin. That is K minus 273 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. Now K is equal to F. The condition given here is K is equal to F. That means in case of F you can put K, or K place of F you can put whatever it may be. So in place of K, if you put F, what you will get? F minus 273 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. Now 0 0 cancel, 5 2 ja, 5 9 ja. Sorry, 18. Oh, 5 4 2 5 ja, 2 9 ja. So do the cross multiplication, you will get 9 into F minus 273 is equal to 5 into F minus 32. So do the calculation, 9F minus, so if you do 9F minus 9 into 273, 2457 equal to 5 into F minus 5 into 32, 160. Bring this side means 9F minus 5 is 4F. 272457 minus 160, you will get 2297. So 2297. So divided by 4, you will get around approximately F is equal to 574.25. This is the formula. This is the answer. F is equal to K is equal to 574.25. That's all. Next question will be 44. Find the increase in the temperature of the aluminum rod if the length is to be increased by 1%. Alpha aluminum is given. That means you have to know the formula for this. Coefficient of linear expansion of the solid, alpha is equal to the formula coefficient of linear expansion of solid, alpha is equal to change in length by original length into rise in temperature. This is the formula. So you have to find the rise in temperature, that is increase in temperature. Length is to be increased by, so that means the condition here is given delta L by L into 100 is equal to 1, or simply delta L by L is equal to 1 by 100. This one value. Okay, or you can say okay 10 power minus 2. Okay, no problem. That means we have to find the change in temperature here. From this formula I can get delta T is equal to delta L by L by alpha. Okay, that means we can substitute here. Delta L by L is 1 by 100 by alpha means 25 into 10 power minus 6. So if you do the calculation, what you will get? 10 power minus 6 becomes 4. That is 10,000 by 25. You will get 400 degrees centigrade. So the answer for this will be 400 degrees centigrade. Now the next question, very important. A clock with the brass pendulum keep correct time at 20 degrees centigrade, but loses 8.64 seconds per day when the temperature rises to 30 degrees centigrade. Calculate the coefficient of linear expansion of the brass. That means you have to find the brass value, that is alpha you have to find. What are the data given? So 20 degrees centigrade, correct time it will show us. Loses 8.64 per day. Temperature rises will be 30 degrees. Okay. Now from this data you get the formula, you can get the relation between time period and temperature. So that means in case of simple harmonic motion, as you know, the formula for the time period T is equal to 2 pi root L by G. That means T is proportional to root L. If you write in terms of errors, you will get delta T by T is equal to, this is L power root L. Root L means L power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 delta L by L. So as we know from the previous problem, we know that delta L by L is equal to alpha delta T. Now substituting 1 by 2 into alpha delta T. This is per second. Time loss per second. That means you have to find here alpha value you have to find. Okay. That means delta T by T, this is a time loss or gain per second. So the time loss or gain, loss of time per day. So in one day, how many seconds are there? 86,400 seconds are there. Here 1 by 2 alpha delta T into 86,400. So you have to find from this alpha you have to find. So you know the values. So how much values will be there? 30 value is there rising. Initial value is 20. That is difference in temperature is 30 minus 20. You will get 10 degree rise of temperature. So the value is given 8.64 per day. That is substituting it in place of this, you will get 8.64 is equal to 1 by 2 into alpha into delta T means 30 minus 20, that is 10. 10 into for 86,400. Okay. So for easy point of view, they will give it. You can easily calculate this by 100 if you put. So easy calculation, 864 by 100 is equal to 1 by 2 alpha into 10 into 86,400. So 864, yeah, one time, that is 100. You will get alpha is equal to 2 into this one 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power minus 5 per degree centigrade. This is the answer. Okay. 45th question. Next question will be it is also one of the important question which ask for 4 marks question also or 2 marks. Most probably 4 marks. So this will be a body cools from 60 to 40 degrees in 7 minutes. What will be its temperature after next 7 minutes if the surrounding temperature is 10 degrees centigrade? That means we have to use the Newton's law of cooling. So we can write here, according to Newton's law of cooling, theta 1 minus theta 2 by T is equal to K into theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 minus theta 0. This is the formula. That means rate of heat loss is directly proportional to difference between body temperature and surrounding temperature. From this data, first case 1 you can write. What are the data given? Theta 1 is equal to 60 degrees. Theta 2 is equal to 40 degrees. Time T1 is equal to 7 minutes. That is 7 into 60 seconds. And the surrounding temperature is theta 0 is equal to 10 degrees centigrade. From this, we can find the K value. Substituting in the above, what you will get? Yeah. Theta 1. 60 minus 40 by 7 into 60 is equal to K into theta 1 plus theta 2. That is 60 plus 40 by 2 minus theta 0 is 10. Now from this 20 by 7 into 60 is equal to k into 100 by 2, that is 50. 50 minus 10, that is 40. So finally you will get k is equal to 20 by 7 into 60 into 40. Keep in mind. Now the case 2. What will be the temperature after next 7 minutes? That means again 7 minutes. That is case 2. Now what are the values given? Present value is 40 degrees. And theta 3 is, you have to find, question mark. Surrounding temperature does not change. Time T2, again 7 minutes only. So 7 into 60 seconds. Surrounding temperature as usual, no changes, 10 degrees centigrade. Now the formula can be simple, changing the formula. That is theta 2 minus theta 3 by T2 is equal to k into theta 2 plus theta 3 by 2 minus theta 0. This is the formula. Again substituting, what you will get? Substituting here. That is 40 minus theta 3, I don't know, by time. Time how much? T2, same, 7 into 60, which is equal to k. K value I know. So 20 by 7 into 60 into 40. Bracket 40 minus theta, plus theta 3 by 2 minus 10. Now these two cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 2, 2 is 4. Okay. Again, that is 40 minus theta 3 by is not there. Nothing is there. 1 is equal to, do the LCM here. This is 1 by 2. Yeah. 1 by 2 into, take the LCM, 40 plus theta 3 minus 20 by 2. Okay. Now 40 minus 20 means 20. So you will get 4, 2 into 2, 4. So 40 minus theta 3 is equal to 1 by 4 into theta 3 plus 20. Do the cross multiplication. That is 4 4 ja 160 minus 4 theta 3 is equal to theta 3 plus 20. Bring this side. That will get 5 theta 3 is equal to 140. So theta 3 is equal to 140 by 5. 140 by 5 means 503 ja, 502 ja. So 58 ja. So 28 degrees centigrade is the further temperature. So that's all. So this is also one of the important question. This is related to the Wien's constant is given, Wien's displacement. That is, if the question is given, if maximum intensity of radiation for a black body is found at 1.45 micrometers, what is the temperature of the radiating body? That means you have to find the temperature. So what are the data given here? First of all, intensity of heat radiation of black body, micrometer, that is wavelength is given here. So lambda maximum is equal to 1.45 micrometer. Micro in the sense 10 power minus 6. Next, Wien's constant, that is B, is equal to, this is B, 2.9 into 10 power minus 3. MK means meter Kelvin, that is a unit. From that unit itself, you can get the formula. Meter Kelvin. Meter means lambda. Kelvin means temperature. So simply, according to Wien's displacement law, Wien's displacement law, lambda m into T is equal to constant. This is the formula. You have to find the T value. So lambda maximum by B. So lambda maximum is given 1.45 into 10 power minus 6 by B value is 2.9 into 10 power minus 3. So this is approximately 3 means so we'll get lambda m into T, B lambda m T, sorry, reverse, oh mistaken, not this one, shut. From this T is equal to B by lambda max, B by lambda max, that is 2.9 into 10 power minus 3 by 1.45 into 10 power minus 6. So approximately minus 3 becomes plus 3, 1.5, 1.5, 3, that is approximately 2. 2 into 10 power 3. Temperature is Kelvin, or simply 2000 Kelvin is the answer. Next question will be, now this will be related to the thermodynamics. So a refrigerator is to maintain eatables kept inside at 9 degrees centigrade. If room temperature is 36 degrees centigrade, calculate the coefficient of performance. Coefficient of performance means simply this is related to the refrigerator. So from this, what are the data given? You have to remember one thing, that in this chapter, in this thermodynamics, temperature should be converted into Kelvin. That is important, you have to remember. So from this, temperature T1 is given, that is equal to 36 degrees centigrade, that is 36 plus 273. Why? Because K is equal to C plus 273. So you will get 309 Kelvin. Same temperature T2 is equal to given 9 degrees centigrade, that is 9 plus 273. What you will get? 282 Kelvin. Two temperatures are given. So the formula for the coefficient of performance, beta is equal to T2 by T1 minus T2. Substituting 282 by 309 minus 282. You will get 282 by 27. So if you could do the calculation, 27 12 means approximately 0 you have to put by 4 times. So the answer will be 10.4 is the coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. Next question will be, if you read the question, this is related to kinetic theory of gases. The absolute temperature of the gas increased by 3 times. What will be the increase in RMS velocity of the gas molecule? That means you have to get the formula for the RMS velocity. So first of all, Vrms is equal to, the formula is under root of 3 kT by m. That means Boltzmann constant, mass to temperature. So from this you will get V is directly proportional to temperature. Now here the question is, temperature increased by 3 times. That means given T2 is equal to 3T1. What about the V2 value? So you can write the double action. V2 by V1 is equal to under root of T2 by T1. Now substituting V2 by V1 is equal to under root of T2 means 3T1 by T1. T1 cancel. So V2 is equal to root 3 of V1. That means RMS velocity will be increases by root 3 times. That's all. Next question. 4 molecules of gas have speeds 1, 2, 3 and 4 km per second. Find the RMS speed of the gas molecules. So again you have to know the formula. If 4 velocities are given, Vrms is equal to under root of V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square plus V4 square by, why? Because 4 given, by number of molecules, 4. So substituting here, V1 is equal to 1 km per second, V2 is equal to 2 km per second, V3 is equal to 3 km per second, V4 is equal to 4 km per second. Substituting it simply under root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square by 4. You will get 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 by 4. So you will get 30. Root 30 by 4, that is root 7.5 is equal to 2.7 km per second. Now the answer is Vrms is equal to 2.7 km per second. That's all. These are the 50 problems, easy problems you have to do for the IPE point of view. Thank you for watching. All the best for exams.